Psalm 91 verse 2 says, I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress, my God, in Him I will trust. Alam niyo ba that ang Hebrew word for refuge is makase, isang taguan sa loob ng bahay, parang panic room, taguan mo kapag may nanloloob sa'yo. At ang Hebrew word naman para sa fortress ay matsud, isang palasyo, castle or stronghold, a place of defense, lalo na kapag may giyera. Isn't that a beautiful picture? Whatever you might be going through, you can declare that the Lord is both your refuge and your fortress. Taguan mo. He is your protection in both small and big attacks. Kapag malungkot ka, He is your refuge. Kapag may malaki kang pagsubok, He is your fortress. Kaagapay, tandaan that you can always run to God for safety. This is Claire Pineda for Motivation Minute.